How to join 99 Nights in the Forest Discord server. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox.com and log into your account. At the top in the search bar, simply search 99 Nights in the Forest. Click on 99 Nights in the Forest in here, which is on the left side. After that, in social links, you'll find community server. Click on community server. Then click on accept invite. It will directly link to your Discord if you have Discord logged into your Chrome. After that, you'll be added in the Discord server. And this is how to join 99 Nights in the Forest Discord server. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.